For this tutorial, you will need your selected yarn and a crochet hook. I'm using Scheepjes Softfun in the colour Rose and my 4.5mm Athena hook. You will also need a pair of scissors and a darning needle for sewing in your ends. As always, I'll leave all of the links in the description box below, so go and check that out. But go ahead and grab your tools and let's get started. So you want to begin by creating your slip knot, and you can do this in whichever method you prefer. Go ahead and insert your crochet hook, and we're going to begin by creating our chain. So a chain is yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. That's 2, 3 and 4. And your foundation chain will be multiples of 4 plus an additional 4. So the multiples of 4 will take you to the width of the project that you want, and then the additional 4 will be turning chains. So go ahead, pause the video, work your chain length in those multiples of 4 plus an additional 4, and then meet me back once you're ready. So I've done my foundation chain of 28 plus 4, so that's 32 in total. And what we're going to do is we're going to start off row 1 by working a stitch into the 4th chain from the hook. So not the one that's on the hook. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in that 4th chain from the hook we're going to do a double crochet. Now remember, I work in UK terms, so this is a single crochet in the US. So you want to insert your crochet hook, yarn over and pull through. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. So that's our first double crochet, and then we have a pattern repeat. So we're going to start off by chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet into that next chain. And then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, miss 2 chains, 1 and 2, and then double crochet into the next. And that is the end of the pattern repeat. So I'll just show you that again. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet into that next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, miss 2 chains and then double crochet into that next stitch. And that is the end of the pattern repeat. So I'll just go through that once more. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet into the next chain, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, miss 2 stitches and double crochet into that next stitch. So you're going to do that all the way across until the end of your chain. Pause the video, rewind if you need to, and then meet me back once you're ready. Okay, so this is what your work should be looking like at the end of row 1. Now you do have quite a lot of chains in there, so it does look a little bit bunched up. Don't worry, that will fix itself in the next few rows. So we're now going to turn our work and begin row 2, which is actually the row that we're going to repeat over and over again. So to begin row 2, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. We're going to miss that first double crochet, which is just here, and then into this chain 3 space we're going to work a double crochet, a chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and a double crochet. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to miss this double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. And then we're going to repeat from the beginning again. So this is our pattern repeat. So we're going to work into this next chain 3 space, and we'll do double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 3, and then miss the double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet, and then start again into this next chain 3 space, double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and double crochet, all into that same space, chain 3, and then miss, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. You'll work that all the way across until you have done your last chain 3, and then meet me back once you're ready and I'll show you how to finish off this row. So now you've come to the end of this row and it is starting to straighten out a little bit. We have just done our chain 3, and then what we're going to do is find that chain 3 from the beginning of the row, so just here, and then you're going to do a double crochet into there. Now it's just a matter of repeating row 2 over and over again. So we're going to turn our work, chain 3, miss that first double crochet, and then work double crochet, chain 3, double crochet into that next stitch, chain 3, skip the double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet, and start again. So I'm going to go ahead and build this so that you can see it with a few more rows. Okay, so here it is built up with a good few more rows and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. I love these tiny arches, and when you have blocked this, it's going to show those up even more. So I definitely recommend that if you make something that you go ahead and think about blocking your work. So once you finish, you are going to end up with these. So I'm just going to show you now how you can do one final row to finish this off. So you want to go ahead and turn your work, and you're going to begin by chaining 1 and working a double crochet into that stitch. You want to chain 1, find this next chain 3 space and double crochet, chain 1, and then find the next chain 3 space and double crochet. And you'll repeat this all the way across. Chain 1, find the next chain 3 space, double crochet into that space, chain 1, find the next chain 3 space and double crochet, chain 1, next chain 3 space, double crochet, chain 1, next chain 3 space, double crochet. And you're going to repeat that all the way across. So go ahead, repeat it until you get to this last chain 3 space just here before the corner chain 3 space, so the one that's sticking up, and then meet me back once you're ready. Okay, so once you've worked your way to this section, you're going to go ahead and chain 1, and then you can double crochet into that chain 3 space. Go ahead and fasten off. Pull out your yarn. I think it's a beautiful mesh-like stitch, and if you like mesh stitches, then I think you will also like this one too.